Here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to manage your Amazon Prime membership, including how to cancel or renew it. Start by opening your browser and going to Amazon.com. Hover over Account and Lists at the top right, then click Account to open your account dashboard. On the Account page, look for Prime. Click it to open your Prime membership details. Here you'll see your membership status, next billing date, payment method, and all Prime benefits. You can scroll through to review everything included with your membership. To cancel Prime, look for Manage Membership at the top right. Click Update, Cancel, and more. Amazon will show a few screens offering different options, free trials, reminders, or benefits you might lose. If you still want to cancel, choose End Membership and continue through the prompts until Amazon confirms cancellation. After canceling, your benefits remain active until your current billing cycle ends. If you want to keep Prime active, select Keep My Membership instead. Amazon will continue your renewal using your saved payment method. If your payment method is outdated, click Manage Payment Method and add a new card so your membership renews smoothly. And that's it. That's how to cancel, renew, or manage your Amazon Prime membership.